𝗏 here with a Tai Chi for Balance guided practice video. In this video, I'll lead you through a set of circles number 1 through 5, 20 repetitions each with direction changes and stance changes. So that's all 3 of the vertical circles, then horizontal circles plus 𝗧 horizontal circles plus weight shift plus hip turn, all feeling our feet and centers. So with that, let's begin. Establish the basic alignments of neutral posture. Feet parallel under the hips. Knees unlocked. Feeling your lower back and behind the pelvis, releasing that area, allowing your tailbone to relax down. Open your midriff. Lift the occiput, the basic structure. Then let your arms hang comfortably at your sides. Allow your back to open up, your chest to sink as you maintain your structure. Drop your mind down your feet. Feel them, lots to feel, including the sensations of pressure. And balance those sensations so the pressure is even between your feet and on each foot. Move your mind up to your crown point, the top of your head, and drop your mind down your center to the bottom of the pelvis, the perineum, feeling for any sense of a line between those 2 points. And in these exercises, we'll aim to maintain our centers in the vertical, except when we're intentionally inclining them in 𝗧. So with that, let's begin. Extend your hands to the front of your vertical circle. Sink into a 𝗧 as you circle down and back. Stretch up through the legs and the quads as you circle up and out. Bending to the back of the circle. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle. Feel your center incline as you sink into a 𝗧. Bringing your center back to the vertical as you come out of the 𝗧. Feeling your feet, and there may be some slight pressure changes in your feet. That's okay. At the front of your circle, you'll want the pressure more or less even. Feeling the shoulders and upper back. Feel the light stretch at the front of the circle and the release of that stretch as you circle back. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Feeling for a sense of how the 𝗧 draws the arms back, stretching up through the legs, and the 𝗧 sends the arms out. Increasingly connected whole body movement. Powering and controlling the arms and the hands from the legs and the waist. A key characteristic of Tai Chi movement. And hey, you're doing it. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Let's add the weight shift. So put a foot forward, shift weight back, back of the circle. Feel your feet. One's loaded, one's unloaded. Feel your center, align it in the vertical. Then shift weight forward, circle forward, shift weight back, circle back. Feeling your feet. The pressure is constantly changing now. Feeling your center, aiming to maintain it in the vertical as you shift weight and make vertical circles. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change directions. Smoothly shifting weight back. Smoothly shifting weight forward. Bending to the back of the circle. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, back of the circle. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Feeling your feet, feeling your center. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change directions. Nice. That feels good. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Now let's add the hip turn. So shift weight back. Turn your hips into your weighted leg. Hands at the back of your vertical circle. Feel your feet. Feel your center, aligning your center in the vertical. Then smoothly shift weight, turn your hips, circle forward. Smoothly shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Check in with your knees, maintaining the two fundamental knee alignments, knee with the foot, kneecap aligned with toes. Check in with your 4 points, maintaining the alignment of your 4 points. Having the rotation come from the legs and the hips, not the spine. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, releasing the stretch. Stretching to the front, releasing the stretch, bending to the back of the circle. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Feeling your feet, feeling your center. Aiming to maintain your center in the vertical. As you shift weight, turn hips, and circle the hands. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change directions. Nice. That feels good. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Bring your feet back to neutral posture position. Place your hands at the back of your horizontal circle, palms down. Sink into a 𝗂 squat. Now, horizontal circles plus 𝗂 squat. So turn your hips. Stretch up through the legs in the 𝗂. Front of the circle. Turn your hips. Sink into a 𝗂 squat. Come to the back of the circle. Feeling your feet. And there might be some minor pressure changes in your feet as you do this move. That's okay. Feeling your center. Feel incline as you sink into a 𝗂 squat and come back to the vertical as you get to the front of your circle. Stretching, bending. Stretching to the front of the circle. Releasing the stretch, bending to the back. The arms are staying more or less oriented in front of the torso. As the circle comes from the hips and the bending and stretching of the arms. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. That feels good. Smooth, connected, whole body movement. While you're developing increasing whole body awareness and precise posture control, thereby maintaining a more stable, falls-resistant structure. The big point in Tai Chi for balance. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Let's add the weight shift in the hip turn, so take a step forward. Shift weight back, back of the circle, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hip circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hip circle back. Feeling your feet. Pressure's constantly changing as you shift weight. Feeling your center, aiming to maintain your center in the vertical as you move. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, back of the circle. Turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hip circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hip circle back. Feeling your feet, feeling your center. Aiming to maintain your center in the vertical. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. Last one. Come to the back of your circle. Smoothly back to neutral. And take a moment and feel how you feel. That was 100 Tai Chi for balance movements. It's beginning to feel like exercise. All right. Enjoy your practice. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.